Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace layout controls for clean UI sections easy tutorial. To configure Squarespace layout controls for clean UI sections, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to edit. From the left sidebar, select the Pages option. Choose the page where you want to configure the layout. Click on the section you wish to modify. In the section settings, locate the Layout tab. Here, you will see various layout options suitable for your content. Select the layout that best fits your design preferences. Next, adjust the padding and spacing settings for your chosen layout. This will help create a more balanced and visually appealing section. Now, move on to the Design tab within the same section settings. Explore the background color and image options available. Choose a color or image that complements your overall design. After that, head to the Content tab to add or edit your text and media. Ensure all elements are correctly aligned and spaced. Once you are satisfied with the design, click Save to apply your changes. To preview how your layout appears on different devices, use the Device Preview feature at the top. Finally, revisit other sections of your site to maintain a consistent design. Your clean UI section should now enhance the overall user experience on your Squarespace site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.